Probability and Statistics Assignment Help. For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at info@excelhomeworkhelp.com or reach us at www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. 1. Let x1, x_, be a random sample from Bernoulli distribution with parameters p, 0. Which of the following is an unbiased estimator of p, 1p? 2. N let x1, x be a random sample from n, 0, 0, where accepted answers, b. Find the min. Accepted answers, excelhomeworkhelp.com. 3. Let x be a random sample from u, 1, 0, where 0 greater than 1. If xq equals x00 equals max xp x. Which of the following is an unbiased estimator of 0? 4. In question 3. Find the MLE of 0. Accepted answers, C. Accepted answers, D. excelhomeworkhelp.com. 5. Let x be a random sample from a Poisson distribution with parameter 2. The limiting distribution of is normal distribution with mean 0 and variance. 6. Let x be a random sample from a distribution with density. Accepted answers, C. Accepted answers, excelhomeworkhelp.com. 7. Let x be a random sample from a distribution with density. Which of the following is an unbiased estimator of A? 8. Let 11x be a random sample from exponential distribution with mean p. Which among following is not an unbiased estimator for p? Accepted answers, C. Accepted answers, see excelhomeworkhelp.com. 9. In question 8. Find the MSE of an estimator t equals 10. Let x be a random sample from normal distribution with mean p and a 2. Accepted answers, B10. Let x be a random sample from normal distribution with mean p and a 2. Which among the following is not a consistent estimator for a 2? Accepted answers, D. excelhomeworkhelp.com.